Inverse of a matrix. We'll make use of the calculator to find the inverse of a matrix, whether it's 2 by 2 dimensional or 3 by 3 dimensional. Let's look at the questions on the screen. Find the inverse of a matrix A. Mat A is a 2 by 2 dimensional matrix. We're going to find the inverse. And also find the inverse of mat B, which is a 3 by 3 dimensional matrix. So let's bring the calculator on board. Okay, so this is mode. Press 6. So for mat A 1, mat A is a 2 by 2 dimensional matrix, so click on 5, input the value, press 7, equals to 3, equal to 4, equal to -1, equals to. So we have inputted the value of mat A. You save by pressing AC. After 7, click on shift, then click on mat A, which is 3. So this is mat A. So for inverse now, it's quite easy. This symbol here is inverse. This is the inverse of x, so just click on it. And that's it. There's the inverse of mat A, which is equals to, so we are here. The inverse of mat A, so this is 0.0526, which is 1 over 19. The next one is 0.1578, 3 over 19. Then we have minus 0.368 minus 7 over 19. Assuming it is a multiple choice question, in the options we have something like a fraction here, numbers n, where it's quite easy to figure out what the fraction will be from here. If you observe all the numbers here, the denomination is 19. So obviously the fraction here will be 1 over 19. So it will be like this. Here will be 1 over 19, here will be 1. Then this part will be 3. Here will be -7. And here will be 4. While we are making over 19. To make it really easy, what you can do, use 19, which is the fraction, to multiply this answer. So something like this. This is the answer to the math question. Look at what I will do. I want to make use of this fraction 19 by pressing 19 times shifts, then math answer, which is 6. Math answer, this math answer was the previous answer, which is the inverse of mat A. So press 6, so it's equals to, now this is it, 134 minus 7. So the answer will be 1 over 19 here, then bracket 134 minus 7. This will be the format in which the answer will be in a multiple choice question. But that previous answer is very correct. In that previous answer, it's like scalar multiplication. The 1 over 19 has already multiplied the bracket. So you just need to know how to use it. So in the same way, let's solve for the inverse of mat B. So press mode, inverse is, then mat B, that is 6. Mat B 2 is a 3 by 3 dimensional matrix. So click on 1. Put in the value 1 equals to 2 is equals to minus 3 is equals to 3 equals to 1 equals to 2 equals to minus 4 equals to 5 equals to minus 1 equals 2. So this is what we have. Let's check if it's correct. This is 1, 2, 3. 3, 1, 2, minus 4, 5, minus 1. Save by pressing AC. So move over to shifts, 4, mat B, which is 4. Then click on the inverse by pressing this. So this is the inverse of mat B, just press equals to, and this will be the answer. So this is what we have now. But if it's a multiple choice question, it might not appear this way. We should take note that 0.141 is the same thing as 11 over 78. Now 0.1666 is 1 over 6. The next is minus 0.089 minus 7 over 78. So the next is 0.606415 over 78. 0.1666 is 1 over 6. 0.141 11 over 78. Minus 0.243, which is minus 19 over 78. 0.1666 1 over 6 and 0.06415 over 78. So how can you convert this answer to the most standard way in which the answer of inverse is being given? That is having a number here that multiplies this very one, where it's quite easy. You need to take note of the highest denominator out of each of those digits, these numbers, each of them, which have the highest denominator. If you observe all through, we have just two denominators, which is either 78 or 6. The denominator is either 78 or 6. Make use of the highest. Multiply the entire matrix by the highest denominator, which is 78. So it's as if we are going to put 1 over 78 here. It's obvious that the number here will be 1 over 78 because it's the highest. But to get the numbers inside, multiply it by 78. Now we already have 1 over 78 here. Now remember that this was the last answer that we have. So this is what we do. 78 times, then the next step, shifts 4. The last answer is math answer was the inverse of b, so 6, so is equals to, so there's it. It means that the inverse of this of math b will be 1 over 78 bracket all of this, 11 13 minus 7 5 13 minus 11 minus 19 13 5. That is the inverse. So it's as easy as that. The reason why the number does not appear here in the previous answer is because this number, the calculator automatically multiply it together. And we know when deal with inverse, we will actually make use of determinants and we'll solve so many things. So that's why there's a variation in the answer, but it's quite the same. So the answer to this question is actually 1 over 78 bracket what we have here. So that's for the inverse. So let's see what we have next. In my next topic, we're going to talk about the adjoint of a matrix. Adjoint of a matrix, you can click on the link at the top of this video. So meanwhile, subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. If you have any question, feel free to ask me on WhatsApp. I'll be glad to answer your question. I will see you in my next video.